Hi, I'm Tom D, and in this video course I want to show you how to set up your maintenance banner for Kibana so you can inform your users about future maintenance and outages. First, create network Kibana. Once it's done, start Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch is licensed, so that's why you see the environment variable xpack license self-generated type trial. Start it in the background and then start Kibana. Open another terminal window and start Kibana over here. Use code in web browser to access Kibana. First time it will ask you for enrollment token. So here in the terminal, generate an enrollment token. Copy that enrollment token and place it in a web browser. Configure Elastic. Takes sometimes few seconds, but if it's stuck, you can refresh the page. And now we are asked for the username and password. To log in, reset the password for Elastic user. Type command in the terminal to set up the password for Elastic username. Click yes. Password is set. So now you can log in. Elastic and your password. Now Elasticsearch is up and running and Kibana is connected to that Elasticsearch is also up and running. Open a menu, go to Stack Management, choose Advanced Settings, and here scroll down until you will see Banner. Banner is a section where you can define your own custom banner. I think this might be the most useful for informing user about future maintenance. That's probably the intention to use a banner. You can enable banner by defining the banner placement to top. It's the only option available right now. Banner text is a text that you want to put to inform your user about. For example, on Monday 12th of November. And you can choose a text color, let's say it will be white. And banner background color. Let's choose red. That's it. Now you can save the changes and reload page. Once it's done, you can clearly see maintenance planned outage on Monday 12th of November 2013. You can also put timings for that as well. Between 12, let's say 2 p.m. until 3 p.m. Reload page. And you have this information for your users that the maintenance is planned on Monday, 12th of November 2023 between a certain time frame. That's very useful, so your user can be prepared for that outage and they will remember about this anytime they are logging in into the system. In a banner, you can also place emojis. Here, for example, if I place this kind of message, there is a code, emoji code at the end. So it will convert it to the picture. And now in a banner, there is this smiling face. I can, of course, multiply the same emoji multiple times placing this code like here, or you can place emoji directly from any page. You can just copy something like warning, or for example this looks like a maintenance, so we can copy that over here. Reload page, and now you have pictures like emojis. System maintenance is planned for 21st of July 2024. Small interruptions possible, and there is a smiling face. So those emojis will bring more attention of users into Banner. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice coding.